Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I don't know what we're doing today, but yeah, we're going to the zoo, I guess. Check it out, see what it's about. Should be fun. I don't know, just here for the ride, know what I'm saying? But let's see what day 2 holds for us. I think we're gonna go snorkeling later on too, or do the sunset, which should be pretty dope, which I look forward to, because probably be a good really looking sunset for sure. Alright people, so we just got back from our day trip. We've been walking around, shopping, checking places out. We got this, so originally we didn't have this top balcony like area, and our room, I don't know, we had complications with the room, and then we got put into this room, and it has this cool little balcony area, and you can kind of see everything. As I showed it earlier, but I wanted to explain it kind of. Right now we're about to go down to the beach again. I'm gonna take my snorkel gear, my GoPro, to film some stuff underwater if there's anything cool. But for now, we're going back right now. I'm gonna go. If you didn't, I'm making this extra clip saying that we're going scuba diving right now. We're gonna go out there scuba diving. We're gonna see what we find. Right now it is whale season, so there is whales and stuff all around us, or not around us, but they're here and there. Rented out this whole boat to ourselves. Stripper poles. You know how it is. It's the vibe. Deck, no one's down here, and then there's the higher deck where everyone's at. Jamie's right there. Jamie, say hi. Alright, so I'm probably gonna switch over to my GoPro right now. Put this away so I don't get wet, so I don't want it to get damaged. Alright people, so we finished up snorkeling. It was fun. I don't know if I got any video just because I think my GoPro got fucked up and then I don't know when to cut out, so it sucks if I barely got anything, but I'll see when I edit this. But anyways, we got also food, but this is what I found in front of the restaurant. A little coconut.
Oh, you put that? How did you pull that out of?
I had it with me. I brought it. I brought the coconut with me. So we're gonna open it later, see what's in it. I think there's a coconut, right?
Yeah.
Looks like a mango, but we'll see. We are at the Alani Resort and Spa or whatever, the Disney hotel. This thing is crazy. They got the lazy river over there. They got koi fish down there with the fountains and waterfalls and whatnot. Big ass koi fish. Some mountain looking thing. This thing is pretty dope. Alright, you guys. So, haven't been been getting video here and there, but haven't kind of been vlogging much. But we're just chilling out here at the beach. We're at a different beach. This is the beach, North Shore. This is the one where like all the surfers come and like they really surf. Like this is where the big waves happen. Right now they actually got some pretty good waves. Nothing crazy, but like they're pretty good. Decent size. You want to go down there and check it out? Chicken whisper. Hello, little chickens. Look at all these chickens. Yo, what's up? We're here at the Polynesian Cultural Center with my boy. Holy.
Hi, I'm just kidding.
Coming into the ex-Pro Bowl Stadium. I don't know. The Hawaii Stadium. Yeah, this is where they used to have the Pro Bowl. Pretty cool. We got box seats or no, just level seats or like lower seats with shade. It's not bad. Alright, peoples, it's the last day in Hawaii, and just like that, we're going back home. I've gone darker, tanner, for sure. But yeah, it's our last day. We enjoyed our vacation. Now it's time to get back to work, get back to the S2000. We got a car meet coming up where we're going to be selling Terasukawas. If you guys want to show up, go ahead and show up and show out. It's on March 28th. I don't really know the details, so I'll give it more later. But yeah, I really didn't talk much throughout the vlogs, like here and there, yeah, but most of it's like B-roll footage. I still don't know how I'm gonna put it all together, if I'm gonna put it all just one whole clip or do it how I did it per day. But for the most part, I did try to enjoy the days without having to film. But anyways, other than that, thank y'all for watching. Now let's get back to regular. Not just kidding. Let's yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Play the love, play the love, play the love, play the love.